What's up, guys? It's Trevin Peterson here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I hope to make it even better as I show you 6 simple ways to make money online. There's no necessary skills required, no upfront investment. All you guys need is the laptop or the phone that you are currently using to watch this video. So it's super easy. And I hope that you guys can take advantage of these simple tools that I'm going to give you so that you can start making $100, $200 every single month, so that little by little you can start investing that money into your own business that is going to change your life forever. So this video was kind of sparked by the video a couple days ago that I posted of how we shouldn't have any excuses, because I get asked a lot, I don't have any money to take this course, or I don't have any money to start Shopify or Amazon FBA or start doing any of these online businesses. But I'm going to show you right here 6 different ways that you can start learning how to become an affiliate marketer, how to take advantage of Wi-Fi money. So it's super simple, and I'm super excited for you guys to take advantage of these 6 simple steps. So without further ado, we're going to dive right into this video, and I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. So we'll see you there. Alright guys, so here we are with the first way to make money online, and that is with Swagbucks. This is super simple, nothing complicated about it. All you need to do is click the link in the description below, download the app or access the website, create a free account, and you can start earning money. And the ways to earn: you shop and you can get cash back, you can search, watch videos, play games, answer surveys, discover different deals, the Encrave, and buy gift cards. So all of these different ways to earn, you basically click on them, and the app and the website will show you everything that you need to do. And as soon as you complete a survey or you watch a video, you're going to get Swagbucks in return. And once you get X amount of Swagbucks, you can cash out with PayPal, and they will literally pay you money to take these different surveys and to play these different games and watch these videos. So it's super simple. There's no thinking required whatsoever, and it's kind of a cool concept, okay? Another thing that I'm going to be talking about is most of these ways to make money online, there are one side where you do the work, and then there's another side where you're going to be basically an affiliate with them. So if you aren't familiar with affiliate marketing, basically you're going to get a unique link that you can send to your friends, your family, on Facebook, your Instagram followers, on YouTube, whatever it may be. And as soon as someone signs up through that link, they are going to get, for example, right here, refer your friends and family and earn 10% of their earnings for life, plus a 300 Swagbuck bonus in the month of April. So by simply sharing this with your friends and giving them an opportunity to make money online, you're going to get a little kickback, okay? So all of these 6 ways, actually 5 ways, you can become an affiliate and share links with your friends and make money that way as well. So it's kind of cool. So basically, there's actually 11 different ways to make money throughout this video, okay? So that is the first one, Swagbucks. The next one is called Poshmark. This is the coolest app, and I just actually recently downloaded it a couple weeks ago, and I'm starting to sell articles of clothing, shoes, accessories, watches that I don't use anymore. Things that don't fit me, or that I didn't like as much, or that I just don't wear because I have other options of clothes. And so I post it on Poshmark, and I sell them for $10, $15, $10, $5 for a shirt or shoes, and they will send you money in return, okay? So yes, you do need to ship out the inventory or your clothes, but it's not very difficult. They provide the shipping label and they do everything for you. It's super simple, and all you need to do is create an account and start selling, okay? So you can list anything with accessories, clothes, shoes, belts, that you can even sell iPhone phone cases. It's super cool, and it's an easy way to make money and get rid of things that you don't necessarily need right now, okay? So that is the second one. The third one is one of my favorites. It is the Ibotta app. And basically right here, you can see that as soon as you sign up, you're going to get a $10 welcome bonus. So literally without doing a thing, you are making $10 just for signing up. So it's kind of cool. And how it works is you're going to have the app, and I'm actually going to go into my iPhone and show you how all of the apps look like. But a brief overview, you're going to download it, and basically as you're shopping, whether it's on Amazon, Target, Walmart, any of these big retailer stores, you're going to submit your receipt, and depending on what you purchased, you're going to get 25, $2, or 50 cents cash back. So as it builds up, it starts really adding up, and it's basically free money for not changing anything other than submitting the receipts of your daily purchases, okay? So along with that, there is a referral link that you can send out to your friends, and as they sign up, you will get $5, and it's a super cool concept that doesn't require much work, and it's easy to share with your friends and family because you're getting $10 to sign up. That's all you need to tell them is, hey, sign up, you're going to get $10, and they sign up, and then you get $5. So it's kind of cool, super easy way to make money online. It also saves you some money along the way if you're big into shopping and you're grocery shopping, and it's just another way to make money and save money, okay? So it's a double-edged sword. The next one is the Dosh app, and basically what you're going to do is link your debit, credit cards to this app, and every time you make purchases, whether you're at Chili's or you're shopping or online or at a retail store, Dosh is going to check to see if you can get cash back. So it's a cool concept where you don't literally need to do anything. All you need to do is connect your cards, and once you connect them, you go about your daily routine, and as you start shopping, you're going to get cash back. Another cool thing along with this is there's a referral program. So every time you share your link with a friend, you're going to get, I think, $25, okay? So it's super cool, and it's something that is super easy that requires no effort whatsoever. The next one, you're not going to make a ton of money doing this, but you might as well because you're already taking pictures, you're already posting on Instagram, Facebook, and you have these pictures, so why not try to sell them for money? So with the Fope.com, you basically upload pictures that you have taken, and you can sell them for 50 cents to, I think, up to $100. So it's kind of cool where you can literally sell your photography, and you might as well try because it doesn't hurt to just post it, and if you sell $10 a month, that's an extra $10 that you didn't have, okay? So this isn't something that's going to make you a ton of money, but it is something that's kind of cool. The next one is kind of obvious, and if you haven't done it and you're looking for a way to create an income that you can create your own schedule, I would highly recommend Uber. You can register and become an Uber driver, so yes, that does require you having a car and insurance, but it's super easy, and you can create an account, get approved, and start driving people and make money that way. Another thing along with Uber is you can become an Uber Eats driver. So if you don't want to pick up random people, you can literally deliver food to people at their door. And so it's kind of a cool concept where if you have time once or 2 or 3 times a week to be an Uber driver or an Uber Eats delivery girl or boy or man or woman, whatever it is, you can take some time and make some extra cash on the side and basically save that or put it towards something else, a business, and basically have another source of income. The coolest part about this is you create your own schedule. You have the flexibility to work when you want and not work when you don't have time, okay? So that's the cool thing with all of these. They're super simple. There's nothing complicated about them. You just need to literally create an account and take action and start doing it today. And if you do, you're going to start making an extra $100 guaranteed every single month if you just follow these simple steps. So there's nothing complicated about it. And I'm actually going to dive into my iPhone and show you guys a little bit of the interfaces of how each app works and show you that this is legit and I'm actually making money doing all of these things as well. So one last thing, so with the Swagbucks, as soon as you sign up, it's going to ask you to get a Chrome extension, and if you get the Chrome extension, you're going to get, I can't remember, you're going to get a certain amount of Swagbucks. And basically what that does is every time you search a site, it's going to basically tell you, Swagbucks is going to tell you if there is an opportunity to get Swagbucks in return. So with the Chrome extension, it's going to come up and it's going to say, hey, activate up to 9,000 Swagbucks if you sign up to become an Uber driver. So the cool thing is as you register for all of these different accounts, you're going to basically double dip and kill two birds with one stone. As you create a Swagbuck account, then you become an Uber driver, you're going to get 9,000 free Swagbucks. And then there's a lot of different ways where you can basically use this app to make money on this one and vice versa. So let's get into my iPhone, and I'm going to show you everything that you guys need to know of how to work these apps, and we will see you there. Alright, so here we are in my phone, and as you can see, we have the money apps. We have the 6 of them: Swagbucks, Poshmark, Ibotta, Dosh, Foam, and Uber. So right here is the first one, the Swagbucks. And as you can see, there are ways to earn cash back on Walmart, Amazon, Macy's, Old Navy. So it's kind of cool. If you're already going to be shopping there, why not make some money and get some cash back along the way? So that's one way. Then you can go and take surveys. So you have the daily poll, the different surveys to get Swagbucks in return. Then you can go right here and watch certain videos, and you can get free gift cards from stores like Amazon, Walmart, and PayPal, as it says right there. And you can basically, without thinking, make money with Swagbucks. So it's super easy. The next thing that I want to talk about is the referral program or the affiliate program, where you can send an email, a text, or you can post on social media your link, and every time you refer a friend, you earn 10% commission on that person for life. So every time they are making money, you're going to get a commission off of that, which is kind of cool and super easy to do. Now, this isn't going to make you $1 million overnight. Yes, it could add up as you start referring friends and as you start doing the different surveys. You could make an extra $100, $200 every single month. What these things are going to do for you, though, is create a second source of income and create income that you didn't have the month before. So if you are wanting to start a business, you have debt, or you want to go on vacation, you can just start saving this money that you're making online, and little by little, you will be able to reach your goal, okay? So if you don't have money and you are looking for different ways, this is perfect for you, because literally you don't have to have any upfront investment, and all you need to do is do the different surveys, shop like you would shop, and then start referring friends, and you start making money. So that's a super easy way, and that is with Swagbucks. The second one, Poshmark, as you can see, you go create an account, and if you want to follow me and see what I'm selling, go to Trevin Peterson, at Trevin Peterson, and there you will see my closet. And as you can see, I have a watch, hats, socks, and then a bunch of girl clothing, which is my wife's, that she doesn't ever wear. So I decided I'm going to sell them because they're just sitting in her closet doing nothing. They even have tags on them right here, guys. I found this in her closet, and it was $100, and it cuts off the price. She got it for $76, luckily. But the original price tag was $158. So I'm like, are you kidding me? You have not worn this and it's sitting in your closet. So I decided I'm going to sell it. It still has the tag on it. So it's kind of funny, as you go through your closet, you will see different things that you didn't even know you had. And then right here, you see these Nike running shoes. She never wore them, and I sold them within 2 minutes of posting it. And I made $20. So it's an extra $20 that I can use for whatever I want, to go out to dinner, for example. So that is a cool way to make some money selling your used clothes, or if you're like my wife, you have clothes that still have tags on them and you never wear them. So that is the second one. The third one is the Ibotta app, which is super awesome, super easy to use, and all you need to do is find different offers. So grocery stores, mobile shopping, Target, Costco, Amazon, wherever you shop, you're going to find different deals within the Ibotta app. And as you find different deals, you're going to redeem them, submit the receipt right here. You hit redeem, and as you redeem the different receipts, you're going to get cash back. There's also different offers and different bonuses that you can get. So right here you can see my earnings. I've earned $41, and then right down below it says I have $16 waiting for me, and as soon as I get $4 more, I'm going to be able to withdraw that cash, and they're going to Venmo me. So it's not a lot of money, but over 55 bucks without doing anything. Right, and then also right here, which I'm starting to do, is invite friends. So as you invite friends, your friend is going to get $10, and then you're going to get a $5 bonus in return. So you can email it, you can post it on Facebook, Twitter, and then you have the code right there. So that is a super simple way to get money back on your daily purchases, and then you can invite your friends and grow that way. So that is number 3. Then we have the Dosh app, which, like I was saying, all you need to do is download the app, link your card, and start purchasing. And as you do that, you're going to get cash back. So right here, I have $11 in my account, and you have to have, I think, up to $25 to withdraw the money. And so as soon as I get to that $25, they're going to PayPal me, and I'm going to have $25. So it adds up every single day as you start making these purchases and as you link your cards. So that is the Dosh app. The next one is FOAP. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but the FOAP, the FOAP app. So what you do is you literally post pictures and you sell them, and as you sell them, you're going to make money. So right here, I've managed photos, and these are all the photos that I've published that I'm currently selling. So it's kind of cool. I don't really have to do anything. I just literally post the pictures that I already have taken and hope that someone buys them. And if they don't, nothing, it doesn't hurt me because I didn't pay for those pictures. There was no upfront investment whatsoever. So that is the 5th one. And then we have the Uber driver, and all you need to do is download the Uber driver, you register, and you're going to be able to make money being an Uber Eats driver, or you can be an Uber driver just like a taxi driver, okay? So those are 6 super simple ways to make money online without any upfront investment. So click the link in the description below, download these different apps, get them, create their free accounts, and especially with the Ibotta and the Dosh, and the Swagbucks, as soon as you create an account, you're going to get money immediately. So it's kind of a no-brainer, and it's super easy. And if you are trying to start affiliate marketing, this is a great way because it's something that brings value to your friends and your family, and it's super easy to get other people on board. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a thumbs up, like it, leave a comment if you have any questions or anything in general. Leave a comment and hit the subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos like this, and also videos that talk about Amazon FBA. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you guys in the next one.